Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this 22-inch pancake griddle. I already had this griddle for over 2 years now, and I must say this is a great time saver whenever I'm making the Saturday morning breakfast for my kids and my family. I can cook a lot of pancakes and bacon and eggs all on the same pan all at once, so I love this thing. Let me show you what it has. So it has the little catch tray to catch all the grease. It has your 2 handles that you could carry it, and these handles, they even come off. So all you do is press a button and they slide off just to make it easier to store and to wash. And I put them on, there's a hole, and then you just press a button and now it's locked in place. It even has your plug just to start cooking it. So it makes it very convenient to cook it. I even use this thing when I go camping, so that way I can make breakfast for everybody all at once. So let me show you how you could use it. The way to use it, you plug it in, insert it into the plug, then I like to preheat, and now we just wait until it's nice and hot, and I'll start cooking my breakfast. So you can see that I'm cooking my bacon on one side, and now I'm going to add my pancakes to the other side. I'm cooking 7 bacons on one side, 4 pancakes on the other side. I like how everything is separated from each other. So this is big enough to cook bacon and pancakes all at the same time. I like how the nonstick makes it easy to flip the pancakes over. So if I wanted to, I can even cook all this stuff right here in the middle. But I like to keep my food separated. So you can see all the grease from the bacon is dripping perfectly into the catch pan. Overall, this is a great 22-inch griddle. I like the convenience of being able to cook 2 separate foods at the same time, only using one pan. I like how it has this catch tray to catch all the grease from the bacon and from any other food that you plan on cooking on here. And the pan heats up throughout the whole pan evenly. I also like the non-stick feature of the griddle pan. Makes it easy to move things around and to flip pancakes.